Hey guys, another video I'm going to put on YouTube there. I got a laptop here, Toshiba. As you see, it's all apart. I'm going to be doing the hard drive for the disk, and then I'm going to put it back together for the 5th time. Have any problems with laptops, Toshibas? Give me a shout. Um, this one had a problem with power, and hooked it up. Turned out to be a wire or something like that. I'm into rebuilding them. Give me a shout on my YouTube channel. If I can help you out, I'll try my best. Like I said, this one is a Toshiba laptop, probably about a 2002 model. I've got it working 5 times. So if you have any questions or need something, just give me a shout. Call me up, 276-285-1717. Thank you. Goodbye.